measurement of the length. There are so many instruments to measure the length. Here, as we know, the meter scale, it is used to measure the length from 10 raised to power minus 3 meter to 10 raised to power 2 meter. Similarly, vernier calipers, it is also an instrument. Mostly it is used in the industries to making the standard sample. Vernier calipers can measure up to 10 raised to power minus 4 meter, and screw gauge and spirometer can measure the length up to 10 raised to power minus 5 meter. These lengths can be measured by these instruments, but some lengths are very far, as we find the length or distance from Earth to a planet, or if we want to find out the diameter, angular diameter, or we can say size of a planet, with the help of a different indirect method, and that method is known as the parallax method. That method is known as the parallax method. For this method, you can observe at your home. For this, you will hold a pencil in front of you and in front of a background, as suppose that wall. Suppose that this is a wall and I hold this pencil in front of the wall. First of all, we observe this pencil of our left eye, and at the same time we close our the right eye and make a mark on the wall, and we see the pencil with our right eye and the close our left eye and mark the position of pencil on the wall. Then we will find out there is a difference between these 2 points which we have seen from left eye and the right eye. This method is known as the parallax method. This method is known as the parallax method. This method is known as the parallax method. But these methods are the direct method. This is the indirect method, and this can be help to find the large distance. It can be seen one by one. Dear student, now we find the distance or length of a planet from Earth. For this, we are using the parallax method. It is also, I told you, it is used to find very far distance from Earth to planet and to find the diameter of a planet. So first of all, we find the distance of a planet from the Earth. We choose 2 points on the Earth, and from these points A and B, we see a single point on the planet. Suppose that the planet S, हमारे पास कोई एक planet S है, इसके किसी एक point को हम अर्थ के 2 अलग अलग point से ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, और इस डिस्टेंस को हमने क्या नाम दिया है? D. अर्थ के ऊपर ये जो 2 point है, इसको डिस्टेंस को नाम दिया है हमने B. So because B is very small than D, because B is very small than D if the planet is very far away from the Earth, then B upon D is less than 1. Then B upon D is less than 1. Therefore, angle theta is very small. Therefore, angle theta is very small because the B is very less than D. Therefore, angle theta is very small. Now, we can see from the figure, if this angle is very small, therefore AS and BS are equal to each other. Therefore, AS equal to BS equal to D. These are the radius these are radius of a circle. These are AS, DS is equal to D, are radius of a circle whose center is S. So, theta is equal to arc upon radius, and theta is equal to arc क्या हो जाएगा d अपॉन रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा d, और d is equal to b upon theta. Actually, we have to find out the distance of a planet from the Earth. So, with the help of this method, we can find the distance of a planet from the Earth. Now, we will find the angular distance or angular size. Now, we find the angular size of the planet. इसको नोट कर लेंगे और इसके बाद हम एंगुलर साइज ऑफ द प्लेनेट को सॉल्व करेंगे. To find angular diameter of a planet. So suppose that this is a planet. This is the diameter of planet A and B. These 2 points observed from the Earth at a single point. उसका just उल्टा. These 2 points on the planet are observed from the Earth from a single point. This is Earth. So this angle, suppose that alpha, the distance is d. This distance is small d because you want to find the angular diameter or we can say angular size of the planet. So from figure, D from figure, because angle alpha is very small due to very small than capital D. So D upon D is very small than 1. Therefore, line AB behave as arc of a circle whose radius is AE or BE is equal to D and the center is E. Then alpha is equal to R upon radius. तो R क्या हो जाएगा D और radius हो जाएगा कैपिटल D. But we have to find out or D is equal to D upon alpha. This is the distance, but we find out the diameter. Diameter क्या हो जाएगा? Small d. So small d is equal to alpha into b. This is the diameter of this planet. We can find by using the parallax method. और इसके बाद में हम पढ़ेंगे how to find the distance or length of very small object. इसको आप नोट डाउन कर लें. So, estimation of very small distances, size of the molecule. मॉलिक्यूल का साइज निकालने के लिए किस मेथड का यूज किया जाएगा? देखो, ऑप्टिकल माइक्रोस्कोप कैन नॉट यूज टू फाइंड द साइज ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स बिकॉज द ऑप्टिकल माइक्रोस्कोप कैन मेजर द साइज अप टू 10⁻⁻⁷ meter because the optical microscope based on the use of sunlight and the sunlight, visible light having the wavelength from 4000 angstrom to 7000 angstrom. So we cannot use the optical microscope to measure the size of the molecules because the size of the molecules up to the order of 10⁻⁻10 or 10⁻⁸ meters. So for this we will use the electron microscope because the electron is also a wave. When electron is moving, it behaves as a waves. So we can find the size of the molecules with the help of electron microscope, and even the electron microscope can find the size up to 0.6 angstrom. 0.6 angstrom or 0.6 into 10⁻⁻10 meter. This size also can measure with the help of the electron microscope. So I hope you will understand that how to measure the size of the different bodies. For the starting, we use the meter scale to measuring the large or normal distances using the vernier calipers, which can measure the size up to 10⁻⁻3 meters. Minus 10⁻⁻4 meters. Now we will be doing some numerical problems. Let us see how they can be solved. So we solve the numerical problem. The problem is the moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on the earth. एक moon है जिसको ऑब्जर्व किया गया है फ्रॉम to different point A and B on the earth. So the angle subtended by the earth on the moon, the angle subtended by the earth on the moon is 1 degree 54 minutes. और आपको दे रखा है given the diameter of the earth to be about 1.276 into 10 raised to the power 7 meters. So approximately the size is given to you because it is sent in the question. Two diametrically opposite point. इसका मतलब ये दोनों ही पॉइंट अर्थ के डायमीटर का होंगे और जिसकी वैल्यू गिवन है आपको कितनी है 1.276 into 10 raised to the power 7 meters. So compute the distance of the moon from the earth. Do you understood question very well? This distance you have to compute. So for this, what we have to do? We have given angle theta कितना है 1 degree 54 minute. It is convert into second. Okay, first of all, in minute, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 54 minute. How much? It is 6 by 11 minute. And theta inside in 104 minute into 60. So it will be how much? Calculate. 0, 6 4 24, 6 1 6 or 2 8, 6 1 6 second. Now you have to convert this in radian. 6840 and 1 second is equal to this 4.85 into 10 raised to power minus 6 radian. Solve this value. How much in the radian? Calculate. Is 3.32 into 10 raised to power minus 2 radian. So what is this? This is basically the value of angle in radian. Now we will find this distance. So for this, what can we do? To find this distance, we know that theta is equal to d upon d and d is equal to v upon theta. What is the value of v? Solve it. You have the value of theta. Okay, the b is 10 raised to power how much? It is 10 raised to power 7 and divided by theta. Theta is 3.32 into 10 raised to power minus 2 radian. Now we will solve it and we have the answer. Okay, solve it. You can solve. Find the value of d. D is the answer of the distance of moon from the earth. So when you solve it, the answer is 3.84 into 10 raised to the power 8